basta before starting shoot, we always pray, I always pray, para namin mawala din sa sistema ko yung mga external career, yung mga
Hindi, pray lang talaga. Kasi yun nga eh, parang tinatawag ko kasi energy eh, sa shoot niya. So, kailangan talaga mag-pray before and after.
Yeah, energy is currency. Yes. Obviously, who wants to answer it?
Actually, and I think lahat naman yung quiet before we start is mag-prayer. It's importante naman talaga yun because we do everything for this project din as well. Enjoy na sa kanya, wala pa rin. Anyway, wala, I-pray lang eh, kasi parang so far, we've been doing this for, everybody's doing this for a while now, before, so hindi naman sanay, pero everybody's getting the hang of it already. So, the reason we could do na lang is, pray and just enjoy doing it. Thank you.
Ako po, pray lang din po. And then after receive po, nag-shake off po. Pero may natin, siguro parang hindi mas day yung emotions or yun na lang nag-shake.